L-Tron is a leading provider of end-to-end solutions for barcode, scanning, mobility, and industrial computing.
So an officer would collect the driver's licenses from all the individuals involved in the incident or accident, bring them back to his car where it's a safe environment for him to focus on issuing the report, the citations, and collecting the data for the accident. So there may be 3 people, there may be 2 people, 1 person if it's a traffic ticket. So he'll take the driver's licenses, and most applications will allow him to scan all of the licenses. It's a quick process to scan the driver's licenses and collect the data, and then typically the applications will allow him to compare the data that's on the back of the license to what we read on the front, human readable. This is kind of a double check to make sure that it's not a fake ID, that everything matches. If it is a fake ID, one of the things that the officer will typically do is also use his barcode scanner as a camera and attach a picture of the fake ID to his report, or suspected fake ID. So now he's scanned all of his data, all of the driver's license data. He can do the same thing with the car registration data to populate those fields. And he goes through his forms, and as he goes through the forms now, everyone that he has scanned pops up in a list, and he can choose the correct person for the defendant and for the witnesses and everyone else who's involved in that particular report. So he can then tab through and select the infractions that are involved, and then he can get down to the attachments, and depending on what the attachment is, in many cases in many states they'll take the driver's license and take a picture of it next to the radar readout, just as additional proof that this was the individual, that was the speed on the radar readout, and attach that picture to the report electronically. And in some cases, if it's a fake ID, they may choose to take a picture of the fake ID and attach it. So they can click on the image capture and report, which turns on the aimer, so they know where the camera is aimed, and the next time they push the button on the camera, it will take a picture instead of sending data, instead of being a barcode scanner. So we can take a picture of the suspected fake ID by clicking the image capture button on the form, and then that turns on the aimer, and the next time we press the trigger on the scanner, it's going to send a picture, not data. So that way they can now attach that image, goes on to the report, and they can print it, and they're all finished. So that's one of the ways that the 4910 is used in law enforcement applications.
Contact us today to learn how L-Tron can help you with your business challenges. Call us or visit us on the web at www.l-tron.com.